After multiple difficult and unsuccessful drilling attempts, Oman finally made its first commercial oil discovery at Yibal in April 1962. Among those present, and with all eyes fixed on the scene, Sheikh Ali bin Hilal al-Duri stepped forward and pulled the lever to mark the start of drilling. But Yibal was not the beginning. It was the result of a long and difficult journey. Oman's search for oil began in 1925, during the reign of Sultan Timur bin Faisal, when Darcy Exploration Company received the first license to search for oil in Oman. Darcy was part of the Anglo-Persian Oil Company, known today as BP. No commercial oil was found, and the work ended in 1928. Then, in 1937, during the reign of Sultan Said bin Timur, a new concession agreement was signed with the Iraq Petroleum Company, IPC, a consortium that included BP, Shell, and other international partners, which later led to the establishment of Petroleum Development Oman and Dhofar. However, exploration efforts were later delayed by World War II. In 1951, the company became Petroleum Development Oman, a name destined to become one of the most historic in Oman's oil journey, after Dhofar was removed from its title and the Dhofar concession passed to the American Cities Service Company, which later became part of Occidental. What came next was the true test. In 1954, as PDO pushed toward Fahud, the country was going through a tense period and access to the interior was far from easy. Since Fahud lay within Al-Duru tribal territory, support from Al-Duru tribe helped open the way for the search to move forward. Then came two historic moments in Oman's oil story. In 1955, Cities Service drilled Dauka-1 in South Oman, the country's first exploratory well. A year later, in 1956, PDO drilled Fahud-1 in North Oman. Neither found commercial oil, but both marked the beginning of Oman's drilling journey. After Fahud-1, drilling continued in Afar, Gaba, and Haima without success. Oil was also found in Marmul, but it was not commercial then due to heavy oil, limited technology, remote location, and low oil prices. It was one of the hardest periods in Oman's early oil story. By 1960, the other companies had left, leaving only Royal Dutch Shell and Partex with PDO, and Oman's oil future uncertain.